Alright, y'all, it's 2:37 in the morning, about to leave my house, head up to Alabama, going to do a quality buck hunt. I got today and half a day tomorrow to hunt, so maybe we'll get a buck or two while we're up there. Me and Uncle Luke are going. Hopefully we'll load up, show y'all some deer. Alright, let's go. Well, I'm up here, y'all. You see it's 4:42 now. I done shut the truck off, but it's 38 degrees. It was 44 degrees at the house. It took me just over 2 hours to get up here, but we're fixing to get out here and give it a whirl this morning and see if the Lord will send us a buck or a hog. We'll see you in the tree stand. Alright, y'all. I know y'all probably can't see me, but I'm in the tree stand. Just a couple minutes ago, something walked underneath me. It was really big, but I couldn't see it. Still too dark. But it's just about shooting light now. So we'll see what happens. Oh, y'all. Listen to all the birds. What a pretty morning. Oh, it ain't real bright out here yet, but man, it's just gorgeous morning. Gotta love what God gives you. Alright, hopefully something will show up here in a minute. That hawk squealing, y'all. Hope they'll come out here. Down there, guys. I don't think it's gonna get close enough to see it, but it walked in the bushes already. Oh, there it is right there. But I think it's just a doe or a spike. It's a spike, I think. Yep. Well, there he is. I've seen something anyway. Definitely can't shoot him though. Oh, he's coming right to me. Maybe he'll go that way. It's 9:19 in the morning. Wow, that's pretty going up through there. That's pretty cool getting to see that buck. He's just a spike, but hey, at least we're seeing something. We're gonna keep sitting here. I'm gonna sit here till at least 10 o'clock. Maybe a little longer. We're gonna keep at it though. by me and figured out something wasn't right, ran off. Which I didn't get all that on video. But as soon as he ran off, I bleated and grunted, and he came back, and he got right here under me. That's pretty neat. Anyway, I'm gonna try bleating and grunting again. Yo, it's 10:20. I just saw a big deer cross the road, but he was about 250, probably about 250 yards up there. I couldn't tell you if it was a buck or a doe. It was just a huge bodied deer. It was probably a big buck, but I couldn't even pick my gun up before it was across the road and gone. We're gonna keep sitting here for a little while. Alright, y'all, it's 11:15. I'm gonna get down, go to the truck, eat a little lunch, recharge my GoPro batteries because they're getting pretty low. And I'm gonna come back in here this afternoon and go down there where I saw that big deer cross the road, because I really think that thing was a buck. And I'm gonna climb right there for the afternoon. We'll see y'all at the truck. Well, I'm back at the truck. I think I'm gonna make me a little campfire and just cook some hot dogs on it and take me a nap right here in my truck before I go back out there. Got the fire going pretty good. About to give me a stick and roast up some hot dogs. Let's get one. Cook all three of them at once. Lean those up there. I'm gonna take me a bite out of this. Just right. Yes, sir. Thank you, Lord. It's the life, y'all. Out here by myself. Campfire. Just enjoying the outdoors. Now for the fun part. Got some summer sausage. We're gonna heat up it on the fire just for a little bit. Have some of that for a snack as well. Oh yeah, pretty good. Deer summer sausage. And now for dessert, a protein Pop-Tart. Alright, we're gonna put this fire out and take a little nap before we head back out in the woods in a little bit. Alright. Nap time. See y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all. Got me a good little nap. Got my stuff back together and headed back in. I'll see you at the tree. Alright, this tree I'm gonna climb right here. The deer I saw this morning was about 30 or 40 yards past this tree. Well, we've climbed this tree in the past, so we know the deer do come through here. We're going to give it a whirl this afternoon. Hopefully they'll come by. the tree. Yeah, I just did a time check. It's 2:35 in the afternoon. We'll sit here until dark. See what happens. Y'all, it's getting pretty late. I definitely hear hogs just right over there, maybe 150 yards. But it's just so thick I can't see them. Maybe they'll ease out in the next couple minutes. Y'all, look at that. Mr. Matt just killed that about 30 minutes ago. Oh my goodness, what a buck. They're out there. You just gotta get lucky enough to see them. Well, y'all, that's about it for daylight. I'm gonna go ahead and pack this stuff up, get down, head to camp. If I don't talk to y'all at the camp, I'll see you in the morning. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
He ain't quite as wide as I thought he was in that picture.
Yeah, the picture did make him look wider, but he just ain't got the width. But he's got the heaviness. Pretty good, man.
Good deer though.
Yeah, it made my season right there. We're talking about. Yeah.
Oh, you chasing the doe?
Well, 2 does came out, and he came behind him. I wouldn't say he was chasing, but
He was on the same trail.
yeah, right.
Yeah, he probably hoping he can chase him.
Y'all got any eyes? No. Oh, do you got on?
All right. We'll see y'all in the morning. Well, good morning, y'all. I'm back in the tree this morning. I jumped a couple deer walking in here before daylight, and I've heard some hogs squealing since I've been sitting here, but it's just now breaking good days. We're gonna just sit here and see if the Lord will send us a buck or a hog this morning. Alright, we'll see you when the action gets going. I was trying to get that turkey to gobble on camera. I think I got him one time, but not real good. Anyway, it's February the 3rd. Turkey gobbling right here by me. And I can hear geese in the distance too. Alright. Alright, sun's coming up, getting pretty well daylight. I think it's time to do a little calling. Let's just do it and see what happens. Alright, y'all, 9:30 in the morning. We had fun making this video, but it's over with now. Time for me to go home. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.